Hello friends, I am Saurabh and you are watching Mehrajiarts. So let's get started.
So first of all we will draw outlines by using a mechanical pencil of HB 0.5 mm lead.
We will start with eyes by observing the reference photo as you can see on the screen. The same process we will do with left side eye. So the eyes has drawn perfectly. Now we will draw the nose.
Here we have divided the paper vertically in two equal parts and draw a horizontal line just above the center so that we can get the center. Once we get the center, it is easy to draw the outlines. Let's draw the mustache. Now we will draw lips. Measure the size of the lips from the reference photograph and draw exactly same on the paper. To draw the outlines of the face, mark the points all over on the paper with the help of scale and join them. So here we have done with hairs. Now let us draw ears.
Just make the strokes of the pencil from bottom to top side as I am doing. To highlight the dark areas, please use 4B pencil. Please observe the reference photo and shade the sketch wherever it is required. Now we will blend this sketch with the help of a blending stump. So here we have drawn the face perfectly. You can compare it with the reference photo.